Chiropractic philosophy-based anatomy, physiology, and neurology place primary emphasis on nerves controlling every cell in the body, while at the same time there is an absence of muscles, nerves, and blood supply to the muscles controlling vertebral motion. Every picture associated with chiropractic is a dry spine. This makes it very difficult to explain the subluxation or disc degeneration by excluding parts of the body intimately associated with those conditions. Altered structure causes altered digestive function. Altered structure, from the tips of our toes to the top of our head, contributes to altered organ function by compressing, stretching, and torquing the chest and abdominal compartments. A Category 2 distortion pattern can have either an ascending or descending primary pattern, both of which will have a TMJ component that will prevent or restrict the proper chewing of food. Food cannot be broken down into bits small enough for the digestive chemistry to penetrate. Altered digestive function causes altered digestive chemistry. Without digestive chemistry, the ingested food and drink is not sterilized. The standard American diet, or even the most pristine organic diet, is not chemically digested. If it is not chemically digested, nutrients cannot be extracted efficiently. Microbes that should be limited in number due to sterilization by the digestive chemistry are able to access the digestive tract from the mouth. These orally induced microbes disrupt the gastrointestinal environment. It is much easier for them to colonize the small intestine with the lack of digestive chemistry than for microbes in the large intestine to move upstream like salmon on their spawning run. Another thing to consider is that just as salmon mutate and degrade when they are exposed to a different environment, microbes may do the same when they are exposed to a different gastrointestinal environment. The reduced microbes in the upper digestive tract allows the digestive chemistry to do its intended purpose. Altered digestive chemistry leads to malabsorption, maldigestion, and dysbiosis. This combination of altered structure, digestion, and chemistry leads to depletion of the elements of the neuroendoimmune supersystem. Depletion of the neuroendocrine transmitters alters the blood flow to the sympathetic ganglion in the enteric nervous system. This results in the pooling of blood around the weakest organ, as seen on CT scans of those with portal hypertension. This in turn alters the blood flow to the spinal discs and muscles controlling vertebral movement. Vasodilation of the blood supply provides a better environment for the growth of microbes and their biofilm production. When an organ is in distress, the vertebra resubluxates and a viscerosomatic reflex begins. This will continue to reoccur until this arc is broken.